Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. So let's get right into it. Let me tell you the first and foremost thing, is it even possible to transfer Amazon gift card balance to your another account? The answer is no, because once redeemed, your Amazon.com gift card balance can't be transferred between accounts or to an Amazon store or in different country. So yeah, because Amazon doesn't allow to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to another account once it is redeemed. But we also can give it a try, right? So head over to your Amazon at amazon.com. Once you're there, head over to the customer service option. Then go to payment gift card or charges option. Here you must sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have Amazon account, just create an Amazon account from here. Then just go to help and they will just take you to a customer center, and you can from there give a call or ask for a refund, or you can just take a chance to transfer your balance to your bank account. And yeah, that's it. The only way is to giving it a try. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.